you know you're an animal lover whenever there's a hurricane coming towards you and you're sitting in a garage at 3:04 in the morning because you have a stray cat that is too scared to come inside. This is Nacho Cat. He won't let me pick him up, in case you didn't know. He only sits in my lap. If I try to grab him, he'll run. He is our lovable little stray who swam during the last storm, and I don't want to be scared again. I don't want to put him in harm's way. So, I'm just going to be by his side this time. We're going to hunker down together in my garage. I say bye-bye. 3 hours later, Nacho is getting restless, so we got the wind starting to whistle, and it's exactly, I think, 3 hours and 10 minutes after our first recording at 3:04, so it's like 6:14 a.m. You okay, Nacho? Okay, we'll go back to the garage. It's almost 6:30 in the morning and it's starting to pick up. Okay, it's starting to really pick up now. Nacho, I really wish you would come in with me. Are you sure you won't let me hold you? It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, I'm here. Hey, buddy. So, here's our little baby. It's about 10 a.m. I'm inside the cat on. Hey, baby. It's okay. It's okay. You there? It's okay, buddy. I'm here. I'm here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, babe. Nacho. Hey. Yeah. You can hide behind me. You can come behind me. Oh, you want to sit on my camera? Oh, never mind. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. I was right.
Oh, this has been going on really long.
There's not a big rope in the ground, and that's why I tie it.
Well, here, I'll go help you. Wait,
Wait,
let me
no,
help you.
If you talk.
Need some food? It's okay. Just came out. Ate first bowl of food and went and potty in between dusts.